Hey, what's up, fishing fools? Back with another video. It's been a good little minute. I got into a new style of fishing, as you've probably seen from the thumbnail, the title. We drone fishing for sharks now. Shout out Hooked on Tackle for getting me hooked up. I know I'm always repping them. But I'm gonna dive straight into the video and go. Hey, what's up, fishing fools? Out here, little homie. Hi. Waiting on his dad to pull up. We're gonna be taking out the new toy today. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know what I got. I haven't really posted much about it. I got a toy for out here. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear me. The audio is probably crap. Yes, I did. I got a Swell Pro. I've been wanting one for a while. Got a good deal. This is the Splashtrone 3 Plus. Camera, bait release, the whole nine. Controller, battery, blades. I'm gonna get it all set up and I'll show you as when it's set up. And there she is all set up. Splashtrone 3. You got the bait dropper, the whole nine. Blades are ready to rock. I'm gonna be rocking the 4-aught. And this is the rig we're using. We'll get some bait and get everything set up. All right, we got 11 GPSs. 13.
Right, everything's in up. You're good. So both down and in. Now hang on. Now remember,
It's gonna be. It's a little.
if the wind is pulling back, and then be ready to push forward with the other one. Push forward. There you go. Now let it sit for a minute. Make sure it's gonna hover and do what it's supposed to. See, yours is drifting just a little. So push forward.
It is. Oh, there it goes.
Close. Alright, go straight up, not fast. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Walk towards me. Walk over here. Alright, point your drone to the right a little bit. That's your left. Point it to your right, though. Alright, go higher. Start going out.
I know I am. Fixing my hat.
Go up while you're still going forward. Alright, that's high enough. Keep going straight now. How far out are you? Don't stop. Don't ever stop.
I'm sorry.
That's why. Just keep going. Don't let off. Don't let off.
Oh, sorry. 106, 109 meters.
Don't ever stop. Put
Okay.
the down without stopping.
Okay.
You see how much slack it put in it?
Yeah.
This thing did?
Uh-huh.
How many yards are on here?
500.
How many meters?
165 now.
So you're close to 200. I'd say about right there.
Let me go.
Just real gradually come to a stop. Go ahead and let off. Go lock this in. Get payload release.
There it goes.
Maybe turn home or control it back. Either one. Go forward, go forward, go forward, go forward.
Watch out, bud. Maybe. We'll see. Hand me that one.
They're frozen.
Come on.
Yeah, but that little yellow house up there, it's installation. I'll show them installation. Have you finished your YouTube video yet?
I'm still recording right now.
Are you gonna put music playing right now?
Maybe. Is that good? Well, that's a big boy leader. Show off.
Move, Owen, completely away from here.
Close it! Close it!
Watch out, move slow.
I was like, ah! I don't want to get hung up.
I thought you were gonna touch it. I was like, no.
Oh, why would I? Why? I can get them off here. Holes everywhere. Hold that.
Okay. At least it's better than no fish. Right, Batman?
All right, take this, pull this down the side of his body. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
You're good.
Did that hurt? Did that hurt, Batman?
Yeah, you ready?
Set him free. Be careful, he can bite his own tail. Pick him up right behind the fence.
Right here?
Now, flip him over.
Right here by these fins?
Pick him up right in front of the dorsal fin, right there. Now reach all the way down. Grab him right behind his fins. His fins right here. There you go.
Oh, wait. All right, so that's how we do it. Pretty much a little rundown of what we do. It's pretty cool. It's a totally different style of fishing than what I've ever had successfully. Y'all know I've been on this channel for a while. I don't even think I filmed a shark catch on this video. On this channel very often, if not none. This is going to be fun. We're after to break my PB on the sand, and I'm going to say this, and everybody who shark fishes or even surf fishes is going to laugh at me. My PB on the sand is less than 3 foot. It's like 29 inches. It's like 29 inches. And it was a bonnet head. That's my PB on the sand. Sucks. I know. I'm still trying to break it. But until it's the day that I put that line in the water and reel it in, we're going to keep grinding and trying. Big things to come for this channel. So, still working on so much stuff behind the scenes. Just, y'all know how life can get. Still got the hats. If you want a hat, let me know. $20, $25 a hat. DM me on Instagram, whatnot, so we can get you one. I'm actually ordering, I have this style, then I have the one I posted in the last video. That's camo front, black back with a TN logo. And I'm thinking about doing it maybe a different color, lime green maybe. I haven't quite decided yet. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see all the updates on the hats. But other than that, really ain't got much to say. Gonna try working on more videos for y'all. I'm slacking, I know it. Thanks for the support, guys. We are still growing. Like close to a couple hundred followers away from 2,000 subs. Pretty dope. Should have already been there by now. On my part, I've been slacking. But for everybody who's still following the channel, supporting me, and tagging along, thank you so much. It means the world. But yeah, review videos coming soon, and more content along the lines of that. Oh, also forgot to mention something else I'm doing. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, y'all saw this in the videos. I make my own fishing rods now, me and my father. Company's called Fat Sticks. Check them out on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, Fat Man's Fishing, you can find them pretty easy. If not, everything's gonna be linked down below in my link tree. So check it out. If you want one of those, DM us there. We can get you set up. Rods start at $125. Can't argue that. I'll catch all y'all on the next episode of Fat Man Fishing. We out.